YouTube, it's your girl Luhhttaytaa, back at it again with another video for you guys, a brand new video for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing, a Amazon unboxing and a Shein unboxing. So I ordered these like a week ago, and they just now came in. So to keep talking short, we're just gonna go ahead and hop into the video. First thing, I kind of like opened some of these because I couldn't wait. But after the fact, I just stopped. So the first thing we're gonna open is this package right here. So I ordered me some bubble slides or whatever. I don't know why I thought it was one, because I was like, wait, what are the shoe at? But I didn't notice that I didn't think they did that. But first thing is these cute bubble slides that everybody been wearing. But I decided to get pink instead of black or like the little tan color. But obviously I will get black and tan when I go back on Shein. Next item I got this graphic tee. They said this is a small. This is like a, I don't know, this is not a small for my skinny body. It's not a small. It's a small, but it's not a small as I thought it was. But the only reason why I got this was because I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna cut the shirt up and, you know, do little graphic designs like what y'all see right here. I'm gonna do one of them. I've did it before. I just ain't like take pictures in it, but we'll be taking pictures. I don't know when I'm gonna take the pictures because I ain't take pictures in a little minute, but we gonna take some. And ooh, these are them jeans. Oh gosh, I finally got me a pair. Finally got me a pair. They say they jeans be stinking sometimes, but I ain't never like. They don't stink. They smell like. They don't have like a really weird smell. It's just like a. It's not like a jean smell, but it's like a. Not a bad smell, but it's just a smell. I can't really put my finger on it. But y'all, these are jeans. Like, these are so cute. Like, look at the bottom. Like, with my bubble slides. It'd be cute with the little graphic tee. But I think I'm gonna find that shirt that everybody be wearing it with. I think I'm gonna find that and I'm gonna put it together with that and just bam, there's a fit. I think I got some glasses too, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go. My glasses. And they came in a box, y'all, and it says Shein. Like, stop playing with them. It came with a box. Stop playing. Fancy self. Look at Shein being fancy. Like, okay. Regular black glasses. Regular schmegular black little glasses. I don't think I would put them on with my lashes because, like, well, I probably could. But I would probably wear this like this. I don't think I would ever put them on my face because, like, can I see? I probably could, but I don't know. We're gonna put a pin in it. But these are glasses. They're cute. We're gonna move on to the next little package. I know I ain't getting much of accessories, but we're gonna start off with the accessories. Oh, you know what? Let me finish this off real quick. I'm gonna finish this. Next, we got this little sweatsuit. But yeah, this is a little bit. It looks small because I don't know. It's just out. But it's not what you think it is. It's not small, but it fits just right. I'm gonna say that. It fits just right. But yep. Can't wait to put it on. Now we're moving on to the accessories. So I just realized they always be sending me little papers, like if we wanted to return. They always be doing that. Okay, I did get another pair of glasses, but am I tripping or like, Oh, they're the same. I was gonna say, I don't know why this look a little big. I was just tripping. And look at, these are what I wanted. These are what I wanted. Hold on. I had to think. I was like, did I want these? Because I wanted another pair that looked just like this. I didn't want nothing like big. Because like, I mean, hold on. Let me see something for real. I mean, I guess. I guess. Wait, because I like to wear my glasses up here. Nah. I don't know, y'all. I know I need to stop buying glasses for real. And it come with a little light. That's so kind of them. Now we moving on to the accessories, the little bracelets and stuff. Oh my god. Y'all know I love me some bracelets. Wait, does that got the eyeball on there? Is that the light? Hold on. Y'all, I thought that was an eyeball. I thought that was an eyeball. Oh, this is so cute now. Y'all know good and well I wear my bracelets like this. Like, I love me some bracelets. I think I got, okay. Got my other bracelet. Focus. Okay. Got my other bracelet too. And it's like a pinkish light. Y'all, this is the bracelet. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's the bracelet, y'all. It's like a pink, like a light pink. Like, y'all know I love me some bracelets like this. Ah! Y'all, I'm so wearing this. Oh my god, I'm so wearing this. Add it with my rest of my stuff. Now, y'all, I could not pass this up. I could not pass up on this. Like, this is so cute. I couldn't pass up on it. But I ain't gonna wear it because I'm late. When it's time to put it on, put it on. But we're gonna put it in this little bag. We're gonna put it right in the bag. And we ain't messing with it. And if y'all hear some music in the background, that is the sibling playing music. But we got another one. We got the month I was born. This is a little big though. I don't know, maybe when I put it on, then it'll show this one. But we got that 2006, like my 06 babies. Where you at? But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. So we're finna move on to this next little package, and I think this is my last one because I don't really ordered too much stuff, but I think it's like my last one. But we're finna go ahead and open it. This last one, I think this is something for Spirit Week that I had got. And because, you know, Amazon. I'm addicted to Amazon. I'm an Amazon baby. I don't know why. I just am addicted to it. Because, like, Amazon is such a... Oh, these are scrubs. These are scrubs, man. Let me open it out the bag so y'all can really see. Then I'm left to do me. And that's all I try to wait. Like we be running them out and never make it. I really just try to film because, like, this is small. Thank God I didn't get a medium. But you know what, y'all? I ain't trying to make this no short little video. I'm gonna try on everything that I just got and show y'all. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. So don't go nowhere. Don't even exit the video. I'm not done. We're gonna do it. We're gonna try it on, and then we're gonna go. Hold on. Just pause the video. Just fast forward. Don't go. Okay, yeah, this is the little scrub thing. I mean, it's got the pockets over there. I'm not sure. Like, it's got the I don't know why I thought this was like big. Maybe because I don't know. But this is just a thing. And I know I'm gonna have one with like more crops. Black and pink. Oh, what I am gonna get is a little pen, like right here. So when we look at this right here, cause I was gonna get a little pen, but I feel like that was doing too much. Yeah. we're gonna go ahead and get to this the next round thing about. So it's the little velvet set. I wanted green, y'all. I wanted green so bad. They didn't have it in my size. They had it in a large. I can't fit a large, and I wanted something different. And I wanted to try green, but I got this like grayish color, and it's like it's so like it was so cute, and like I be forgetting that I like this. It's like, you know, for sure I'm taking me pictures of this because at the bottom they like hold on, let me back up. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like bell bottom at the bottom. We gon' yeah, I didn't want nothing that's like fitted. I wanted something like 2005 like, and this is surely did give it the job. 10 out of 10. This is don't even want to take it off, but we're gonna take it off because yeah, I gotta take it off. Next, yeah, we're gonna start with the feet. Y'all already know I got those both slides. Like I like them so much. Like, and these are jeans, y'all. I ain't got much back there, but you know, working with what we got. But I would say I like these so much, and 10 out of 10 in my opinion. It's a 10 out of 10. I like them. They cute. Plus the size go with as well. 10 out of 10. So this is a shirt with my jeans. This shirt probably gonna be cut. I don't like how it's like right here and it's like a choker. I'm probably gonna cut it down here. Put it right here. Tie it. And close it. See how I look with my glasses on? I mean, it's giving. I don't say with the glasses. I'm not gonna say I don't like them because I like them, but but not like I like them though. I like them. Shirt. Yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna see what these. I don't think I will. I don't know. I just think they look cute like this with lashes on. When you got your lashes on, you got your glasses on. And your hair fits to the that's cute. But we're gonna try it with these. It's giving secret agent vibes. It's giving agent vibes. But it's cute. But it's giving secret agent though, like giving what's that thing called? It's Men in Black, but these not the ones they ain't have these type of glasses, but you know, it could give Men in Black. Men in Black vibe. But yeah. I like it. But that's gonna be the end of this video. This shirt is choking me. Yeah. Watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Tay, and this is my channel. Welcome. If you've been with me since day one, welcome back, gang. What's good? What's up? And I just want to thank y'all so much, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all follow my social medias down below so y'all can get notified every time I post a new video or every time I post on Instagram, as you know. But yeah, until next time, maybe sometime soon, I'm gonna see y'all, baby. So BRB, bye.
Talking about taking something from me like no. Double that my